So it's getting close to Halloween, and we're gonna get our pumpkins from SCHILTERS Family Farm. It's a farm that I've been frequently going over the years, and every year the actual SCHILTERS family makes more and more activities. If you ever want to visit them, they're located at 141 Nisqually Cutoff Road Southeast, and that's in Olympia, Washington, 98513. So the first thing that my kids generally hover over to is the hay pyramid.
Don't jump off from the big one. You can jump from the second one if you want.
Pumpkins, we gotta find the infected pumpkin.
Let's go find those infected.
Yeah.
Infected pumpkins?
Yeah, pumpkins.
Whoa, that's a really big corn maze.
Oh yeah.
Looks so yummy.
I think I heard something this way. No, I'm just playing.
It's a campfire, I think.
Are you sure it's not this way? No!
Something I smell smoke.
My instinct says it's this way.
If I had
This way,
superpowers,
come on.
That way.
So, right, should be right. Are we lost?
No.
Think we are.
Nope, I know the way.
Oh no! Oh, are you sure it's not that way?
100% it's this way. Trust me. I saw you here. Scary mom.
So, yep. How do we get out? We're gonna stay for 12 hours.
I think we should go down this way.
Who's leading?
I can go.
Some of these shapes in the class.
Climb up.
All right, little explorer, lead the way.
Pretty much.
Those are corn.
Yep.
This corn is so scary. I made it. I almost tripped. That was so scary. Look at this fresh corn. That's fresh corn.
Cone.
It's corn. Stop. Oh, I need help. Oh.
Thank you, Julia.
Whoa.
Alright, fine, emo meows. Because I got these in 2017.
Nice.
So they're like 8 years old. No, 5.
Something.
Last year,
Because they look really similar to the pictures I got in 2000.
yeah, because they have all.
You don't have to wave at everybody.
I will go sit in the hot car.
But yo, that looks like the Lord of the Rings.
Huh?
Over there.
The what?
It looks really like fake, like Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Mom was like, look at this pretty bird. And I was like, nature right now, Mom. And she's like, oh, okay. And she turns around and walks.
Guys, where are you going next?
Definitely get a latte. And then after that, snacks.
They don't do that for me. Look.
What's not here?
Snacks.
Cocoa.
It is my limit.
No, until he says. I don't know. It's good? Yeah.
This is for the pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch? Yeah, let's do it. So the last thing we do after the maze is actually just go out and pick a pumpkin. So we go through the pumpkin patch and then we look around through the pumpkins. There's so many of them. But it's a fun time just kind of going out and picking out a pumpkin. Just walk around. Sometimes there's some that are like not on the vine, so you can just pick them up. But if they're on the vine, you can just cut it off, take it to the front. And there's also in the main farm at the beginning of it, where the admissions is at, there's tons of pumpkins already picked out over there as well. If you just want to pick one out and not even go into the pumpkin patch, you can walk in. It's just like a small little supermarket, like a little farmer's market, and pick out your pumpkin. The last thing we'll do is we'll just definitely get some snacks. The cider shack itself, you can either get kettle corn, but the delicious cider slushy float. That's what my wife wanted. And it was pretty chilly, but they got ice cream as well. And some of the Shelters Family Farm donuts, the little donuts that they make with the cider. I got a hot cider. It was pretty chill. But if you get a float, it comes with the actual, it's almost like a mason jar, and it's got stamped on there the actual spooky greetings, Shelters Family Farm. And you can take that with you. It's part of the actual purchase. And also just, look around and just have a good time.